Just a quick look at a few of the toys I bought recently. 1/16 scale monster truck that I smashed up. Here's a front end rebuild. Got little spares car there that I bought very cheaply. A few tools. My Traxxas T-Max. Bought second hand, eBay. Not running. Got it all going. And I've got my hands on a hard shell Subaru body. Modified that. Made that fit. Bought some lights online. Put those in it. Front and back. Painted the wheels. Hopefully we'll have some videos of it in action soon. It is running, but it's a little late right now, so I'm not really looking to take it out in the dark and smash it up as I did previously. Thanks for watching.